afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
All my twinkling, twinkling, shining,
Good
shining stars.
afternoon.
How are you all? You are doing good? How are you?
Oh my.
You enjoyed yesterday? Yes. Very nice. Okay, children. So we'll start our class.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start our class with prayer.
Funny.
Everyone, join your hands, everyone. Come on. Start with teacher. Shine bright. Good morning, God. This is your day.
Good morning.
And
This
it's
is your day. I'm your child.
show me the way.
The way.
Now, today you want to do hogi.
Teacher, ये दीदी
Okay, you want to do hogi pogi?
तुम भी दीदी हो.
Then you want to do dance. Come on, stand up fast, fast.
डांस करने के लिए बोली खड़ी चल
Come on, stand up fast.
टीचर भी मेरे
ये ऐसा करना
Okay, we'll start with right hand. Okay,
चल
ईश्वरी लेके बेटा पहले हम लोग डांस करेंगे. Okay? Come on. First, put your right hand in. Okay, we'll do hogi pogi song. Okay, come on.
देखो
Right hand in. Put your right hand out. Put your right hand
दीदी कुछ डांस करिए
and shake it all about. And shake it all about. And do the hockey pokey. And do the hockey.
डांस करिए देखो
And turn yourself around. And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now put your left hand in. Put your left hand in. Your left hand
खड़ी चल
and shake it all about. Shake it all about. And do the hokey pokey. And do the hokey pokey
डांस
कर पा रही
around. And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now we'll put right leg in. Okay?
लेग लेग लेग
Put your right feet in. Put your right feet out. Put your right feet in. And shake it all about. And shake it all about. And do the hokey pokey. And do the hokey pokey. And turn yourself around. And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now put your left foot in. Okay? Put your left foot in. Put your left foot out. Put your left foot in. And shake it all about.
सारे बच्चे कर रहे हैं
All about. And
जस्ट
do the hokey pokey. And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now, put your half body in. Come on. Put your half body in. Put your body out. In. Shake it all about. And shake it all about.
खड़ी बोलो
And do the hokey pokey. And turn yourself around. And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now you need to jump yourself inside and you need to sing, okay? Whole body in. Put your whole body out. Put your whole body in. And shake it all about. And shake it all about. And do the hokey pokey. And do the hokey pokey. And turn yourself around. And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now everyone, come on, jump, jump, fast, fast. Jump fast and sit down. Jump fast and sit down. Come on, jump fast.
Mama, I did it.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so everyone is tired. Come on, take a deep breath.
ये क्या करेंगे?
Take a deep breath. Okay, now you feel relaxed. Okay, who wanted to show me the homework? Who wanted to show me the homework?
I homework.
बताना था?
Now.
Okay, you not submitted the homework in the on the website? आप लोग ने होमवर्क सबमिट नहीं किया वेबसाइट पे?
No.
Okay, why? Why? I have only. Okay, I'll tell about
Network failure.
Network problem.
Network problem.
network problem.
Network problem.
Okay, so tomorrow will you do? Okay, I'll just see right now. Just a minute.
ये कराओ.
Okay. One parent. Okay. Where is Kavya? Okay, Kavya. Yesterday teacher gave you the number 13.
Hello.
कल number 13 दिया था.
हाँ बोलो.
1 3 13 दिया था, पर आपने 1 नंबर किया है.
Sorry, boy, teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Here are we, 13.
Okay, Sarvadana's mom is saying that submit but attachment is showing blank. Okay. Okay, okay, I'll show you once again. Just a minute, parents. I'll show you one again. Okay. Just a minute. I'll show you once again. Okay, so first of all, you need to go on the website www.mysmartbooks.in. वहां पे जाके आपको पहले लॉगिन करना है. आपके पास आपका आईडी और पासवर्ड होगा. You need to just log in. You just need to sign in. Okay, I'll just share the screen. I'll share my screen so you will come to know. Okay. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, you can see my screen, parents?
Yes.
Okay, parents, see, you just need to sign in. You need to go on www.mysmartbooks.in. वहाँ पे जाके आपको directly my classroom में जाना है. My classroom में जाके आपको you need to go on homework. You need to click on homework. आप जैसे ही homework पे जाओगे. Okay, so right now it's showing about. Okay. Okay, this is the nursery homework. I'm just giving you example. If you will go in the homework, so for example, there's a homework and many parents already tried. Okay? You need to just choose the file. आप जैसे ही choose करोगे ना, तो वहाँ पे आपका मोबाइल से यूज कर रहे हो तो आपका कैमरा डायरेक्टली ऑन हो जाएगा. Okay? And उसके बाद में आप डायरेक्टली क्लिक करके you can send the picture. You can save the picture. Okay, just write, and if you get some errors, so just take a screenshot and share it with us.
Sir.
Okay, parents?
Yes.
Still you are getting some problem?
No.
Got it? Okay, okay, so now give it to children, please. Okay, okay, so Sanya, show me your homework now. Sanya, show me your homework. Okay. Ruby done?
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Yes.
Your homework.
JBCD book चाहिए.
Very nice, Sanya. Lokeshwari, your homework, beta.
चलो खाली को चलो.
Lokeshwari, show me your homework.
नोटबुक में पेन.
Okay, very nice.
Kavya.
Kavya. Okay. Okay, Kavya.
Yes.
Okay, you need to make 13, number 13. Okay, you need to write 1 and 3, 30.
Mama,
मैं अभी क्लास के टाइम नहीं चलाओ।
Sorry. Okay. And Ishwari, your homework, beta. Okay. Very nice. Anvesha, your homework, beta. Okay. Very nice. Ruhi Shukla, your homework. Okay. You were absent yesterday, beta.
नो, कल क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं किया था इसने, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी।
Okay. कल हम लोग ने नंबर 13 करवाया था. It's okay. No worries. इस क्लास में कर लेना. Okay. Shubhra, your homework, beta. Okay. Shubhra and Tanya. You. Okay. Very good. You. Sarvadaina. Okay. I think you Sarvadaina. मैंने आपका homework check किया. Very nice. And
मम्मी मैंने बना दी।
check कर लिया. Okay. Tanya. Very nice.
ये तो रनिंग रहती है। सालू भाई का मॉडल।
Shubhra. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. So you all done. Shivansh. Okay. Shivansh. Very nice. Shivansh आपको है ना एक के अंदर एक ही लिखना है आपको. जैसे वन बॉक्स के अंदर आपको 1 लिखना है, अनदर बॉक्स में आपको 3 लिखना है. ओके शिवांश? ओके शिवांश, शो मी थम्स अप. वन बॉक्स में आपको 1 लिखना है, अनदर बॉक्स में आपको 3 लिखना है. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज बी केयरफुल. ओके so today we are going to learn about the alphabet. I'm sharing this. Show me a thumbs up, children. Okay, you can see the screen, beta. Okay, you can see the screen. Yes. Okay, very nice. So what is this? D, the alphabeet D. This is the big D, or we can say capital D, and this is the small d, we can say lowercase d. Okay, so we are going to learn about the lowercase d.
ये क्या है? D, ये है D.
This is the lowercase d, so we need to write down this d. Okay, but what is the sound of the d? Da. What is the sound of the d? Sarvadaina, what is the sound of the d? Da. Da. Tanya? Da. Da. हम लोग ड्रम कैसे हम लोग बजाते हैं? ड ड ड ड ड ड ड ड ड, राइट? ड ड ड ड ड ड ड ड ड. Okay, so we need to da. Da. Very nice. Da. Okay, so we'll use the da sound. We won't say d. Okay, we'll use the da sound. Da. Okay. So da da do. We'll sing the song together. Da da do. Da da do. Come on, everyone. Repeat with teacher. Da da do. Da da da. Very nice. Now what is this? What is this? Drum. Da da drum. Da da drum. Come on, repeat with teacher super fast. Da da drum. Da da drum.
ये क्या है?
Da da drum. Okay. What is this? Duck. Yeah. That's a duck. So we'll say duck, duck, duck. Shivansh, duck, 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 duck. Everyone should repeat it, okay? Very nice. I'll ask anyone, okay? Okay. And what is this? Dolphin. What is it? Dolphin. Da, da, dolphin. Da, da, dolphin. What is this? Deer. What What is this?
Yeah.
The deer. The deer. The deer. Come on, everyone. With teacher. The deer. The. Very nice. What is this?
Good.
Dogs. The
Dog. Actually, dog.
the dogs. The. Very nice. What is this?
Doll.
The
ये देखो doll.
doll.
मम्मा क्या है डॉल का नाम?
The doll.
ये क्या है?
The doll.
डॉल ले सकूंगी?
Yes. Okay, so now I'll ask one by one to everyone the sound. Okay, I'll ask one by one the sound from A to D. Okay, from A to D, I'll ask the sound. Okay, okay. Then Lukeshwari, come on, unmute yourself, beta. Lukeshwari, come on. What is the sound of alphabet D? Ba. Ba. No, the sound is ba. 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 No, D is alphabet. Okay, D is the alphabet. But sound is ba. So you always remember the sound in your mouth. Okay, ba, bat. Ba, bat. Okay, Kavya, your turn. Kavya, come on. The A sound, alphabet A sound, beta. Alphabet A sound. Ant. Ant. Come on, Kavya. Very nice. Ant. Ant. Ball. Bat. Bat. Ant. Right. Now, I'll ask to you. You please unmute yourself. Come on fast. You, the alphabet C sound.
Next, C.
C. Yes, very nice. The sound is ka. Cat. Very nice. Good. Cat. Cat. Very nice. And keg. Keg. Right? You all know it? Very nice. Now you mute yourself and Ruhi, your turn. Ruhi, teacher taught you just now the alphabet D sound. Alphabet D sound, beta. Very nice. Okay, everyone can hear my. Okay, just show me thumbs up. Everyone can hear me. Just show me thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. So we'll start to writing. Okay, you all have your pencil and book. Come on, get ready. Very nice. We'll write down the alphabet D. Okay?
जो ये समझ को
Come on, everyone. Get ready with your book and pencil.
बैठो सर टीचर बताइए क्या लिखना है देखो
Okay, we'll write down the alphabet small d, the lowercase d. Okay, so come on, write down with teacher.
Small ABCD. And small ABCD.
Parents, please mute yourself. Parents, please mute yourself. Everyone, very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, see here. First, we need to make the standing line from the red line to the blue line. Okay, because we are making the small alphabets, na? Okay, small case letters, na? So we'll use standing line from the red line to the blue line. Okay, from red line to the blue line, standing line, and the left curve D. And the left curve D. Da sound. Da. 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 Dog. Okay. Again, we'll make with teacher standing line from the red line to the blue line, standing line, and a left curve and a small left curve. D. D. Sound. Da. 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 Duck. Okay. Now, again, we'll make standing line. Come on, make standing line. And the small curve within the blue line, D. And the sound is da. 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 Drum. Da. Da. Drum. Okay, again we'll make standing line from red line to blue line, standing line, and within the blue line a left curve, within the blue line a left curve, and the sound is da. The sound is da. 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 Doll. Da. Da. Doll. Okay, everyone can see my screen. Please show me thumbs up. Okay, Tanya can see, Anvisha is can see. Okay, I think so Sarvadaina's parents maybe some network issues over there. आपके वहाँ पे शायद कुछ network issue हो सकता है. I think so all parents can see. Okay. Now you can see my screen, Sarvadaina's parents. You can see the screen. Show me thumbs up. Okay, I am showing again once again for Sarvadaina. Okay, the standing line from red line to the blue line. Make the standing line from the red line to the blue line. Standing line and the left curve within the blue line. Left curve within the blue line. Da. D. Da sound. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'll see one by one everyone's. Okay. Okay, okay. Very nice, Ruhi. Very nice, Tanya. Ruhi, Tanya, Anvesha. Very nice, Anvesha. Very nice, Lokeshwari. Kavya, show me properly, beta. Sania, open your book and show me. Kavya, show me properly, like this. Okay, very nice. Sania, yours? Very nice, Lokeshwari. Thank you. Sania, show me your alphabet D. Okay, Sania, get ready till I just take others. Shivans is done. Very nice. Shubhra, your beta? Shivans, thank you. Shubhra. Oh, very nice. तो आप लोग टीचर से भी आगे चले जाते हो. Very nice, Shubhra. Thank you. Ishwari, very nice, Ishwari. Sarvadanis. Okay, you show me yours, D, beta. Very nice. Okay, very nice. So you all got the alphabet D. Okay, only one left. Sania. Sania, show me. Get closer. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now you all got the alphabet sounds. A, ba, ka, and da. A, B, C, D. But the sound is A, ba, ka, da. Okay? Okay, show me thumbs up. Very nice. So you enjoyed the alphabet D today? You enjoyed the alphabet D? Right? So now tomorrow I'll assign the homework today. Okay? The alphabet D, you need to do more practice. Okay? And please submit by 7 o'clock. Okay? So teacher can also check it. Okay? अगर आप लेट सबमिट करोगे तो टीचर नहीं चेक कर पाएंगे ना. Okay, so please submit by 7 o'clock. Okay, come on, show me thumbs up. Okay, so now Shika teacher is here. Shika teacher will take the class. Okay, now say bye bye to teacher. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, Shika teacher, are you there? Okay, we'll wait for Shika teacher. Let her come. Okay, so I think so Shika teacher must be having some problem. Okay, so we'll just practice again the sounds till that Shika teacher is coming. Okay, we'll practice again the alphabet D. We'll write down again. We'll practice the sound D and we'll practice 1 or 2 times till the Shika teacher will be here. Okay, come on. Take the book and just make standing line from the red line to the blue line. Okay, and the right, and the left curve within the blue line. D, da. Okay, Shika teacher is here. Okay.
Hello kids, good afternoon everyone. How's everybody? Nice?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon beta, how are you? Fine, okay, very nice. Now kids, अभी पिनाज मैम ने आपको writing सिखाया, right? Now do your homework, okay? And like I explained to you yesterday, आपको कैसे homework submit करना है? This is especially for the parents. Parents, please just have a look at my screen. I just want to show you आपको homework कैसे करना है, because there were some kids, I think जिन्होंने कल homework submit नहीं किया था online. अभी जो homework है वो online ही submit होगा and वहीं पे check होगा. So I'll just show you once again. Okay, if you have any doubts, you'll just clear it. Let me show you the screen. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just show it to you. Just give me 1 minute. Just bear with me for 1 minute.
अरे तनु तोंडातला हात काढणं काय देऊ का एक फटका टीचर समोर
तब तक आप लोग फ्रेश हो जाओ और थोड़ा सा पानी पी लो. Go everyone, drink water. Till then I'll just open the screen and show it to you, okay? Okay, so I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, so this is especially for the parents. Parents, please have a look at my screen and just see how the kids have to submit their homework. See, this is how the page will open. आप सबके पास एक यूनिक आईडी और पासवर्ड सबको प्रोवाइडेड है माय स्मार्ट बुक्स का, वो आपको डालना है तो ये पेज ओपन होगा. ये पेज ओपन होने के बाद आपको माय क्लासरूम में जाना है. इधर और कुछ नहीं, आपको होमवर्क टैब पे क्लिक करना है. आप होमवर्क टैब पे क्लिक करोगे तो ऐसे आपको सारा होमवर्क दिखाई देगा. आपको जो भी होमवर्क आपका आफ्टरनून बैच है तो आपको आफ्टरनून बैच का ही होमवर्क खाली ओपन करना है, लाइक दिस. ओके, so whatever the homework is will be written over here, and then after that you have to choose a file. यहाँ से आपको जो होमवर्क बच्चे ने किया उसका फोटो क्लिक करके आप फोन में सेव कर लो या लैपटॉप में सेव कर लो. उसके बाद चूज अ फाइल करके यहाँ से फोटो लाइब्रेरी में जा करके ओके, यहाँ से सीधा फोटो भी क्लिक कर सकते हैं आप. करके इसको अपलोड करना है फाइल को, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज अगर आप अपलोड नहीं करोगे फाइल तो वी कैन नॉट सी इट. आफ्टर दैट आपको सेव करना है. इन द एंड यू हैव टू सेव इट. ओके, तभी वो फाइल हम लोग देख पाएंगे. Is that clear? सबको समझ आया ना कैसे करना? Because yesterday I saw that very few students had uploaded the homework. Does anybody have any doubt on this? Okay, I'm coming back to you all.
जी बराबर.
आप लोगों को समझ आया ना होमवर्क कैसे डालना है? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm hoping कि आज जो होमवर्क आपको दिया है पिनास मैम ने, we'll be sending to you in some time. Okay, so वो होमवर्क आपको कंप्लीट करना है kids and parents. आपको फोटो क्लिक करके उनके माई स्मार्ट बुक्स में जाके होमवर्क टैब में क्लासरूम के अंडर होमवर्क टैब में जाके वो अपलोड करना है पिक को एंड देन सेव करना है. जब आप सेव करोगे तो पिक्चर हम लोगों को दिखाई देगी एंड देन उसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे. टीचर विल चेक इट. हुएवर हैज असाइन्ड द होमवर्क वो टीचर चेक करके रिमार्क देगी. नहीं, आपको सेव करना पड़ेगा. नीचे ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है सेव. ओके, फाइल अपलोड करने के बाद नीचे ऑप्शन लिखा हुआ है सेव. एक टैब में यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट ऑप्शन सेव. ओके, देन ओनली दैट फाइल विल गेट सेव्ड एंड तभी वो इट विल बी विजिबल टू द टीचर्स. ओके, सो मे बी यस्टरडे किसी ने अपलोड किया होगा और सेव नहीं किया तो फाइल नहीं दिखाई दी. देयर वर सम स्टूडेंट्स जिनका ब्लैंक था, देयर वाज नो फाइल देयर. सो यू हैव टू डू दैट. आपको फोटो क्लिक करके अपलोड करके यू हैव टू सेव इट. ओके, is that clear to everyone? किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो. I will show it to you once again because अभी हम होमवर्क ऐसे ही चेक करेंगे every day and we'll keep a tab as to which kid has submitted the homework and which kid has not. So we'll keep a tab on that also. Who is completing the homework, who is not completing the homework. Okay, and we'll give you remarks as well. So the kid knows where, yeah, the parent knows where there is a mistake and the kid can correct it. Okay, and जिसने अच्छा किया है, well done. Or if there is anything required, we'll let you know also. So it will be a two-way communication. अभी तक आप हमें स्क्रीन पे दिखा रहे थे, which was like we couldn't see sometimes वो clearly भी नहीं दिखता है, but अभी वो two-way communication होगा. So I would request you, please आप लोग उनका homework upload कर दीजिए एक बार. Okay, and if you have any doubt, आप अगर आपको ID password याद नहीं है अपना ठीक से कुछ, you can call up in the school and confirm it. Okay. So shall we start with the class now, everybody? Everyone's ready? सबने water drink किया? Did you all drink water? Okay, so what are we going to do now? I'm going to show you a shape today, okay? And we are going to also revise the rhyme. Fine? So look at my screen, everyone. I'm going to show you a new shape. अभी तक हमने shapes पढ़े. कौन-कौन से shapes पढ़े? Let me show it to you. Just give me 1 minute. See, आपने कौन-कौन से shapes अभी तक देखे? आपने जो shapes देखे हैं, वो देखे हैं square, rectangle, right? Which all shapes have you seen? See, I will draw and show it to you. See, this is a square. Yes, so आपने square देखा, right? This is a square. Then what did you see? A rectangle. Let me draw a rectangle. Sorry, a triangle. See, which shape is this? Triangle. Which shape? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. 3 sides. Very good. Then let me draw and see. Which shape is this?
Circle.
Very good. That's a circle. And हमने last week कौन सा shape सीखा था? New shape. Which shape is this?
Diamond.
Diamond. Very good. This is a diamond. आज हम एक नया shape सीखेंगे, which is a very interesting shape. Okay. Let me show the screen to you. आप सब अपनी स्क्रीन पे देखो, आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी मैं। नाउ सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ये देखो। 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. Okay, now see. Which shape is this? क्या किसी को मालूम है ये कौन सा shape है? Does anybody know? Yes, this is a heart. You all are very smart. This shape is called heart. It's in the shape. No, our heart doesn't look like this. But हमें shape को heart बोलते हैं. What is this shape called? Heart. Say with me. सबको मेरे साथ बोलना है. Heart. Heart. Okay, everybody has to say with me. Heart. Yes, this is a heart. Now let me show you some pictures. See, ये देखो, ये केक है, सबका फेवरेट है। सब बर्थडे में केक कटिंग करते हैं ना। You like eating cake, right? Everybody likes eating cake, है ना? Yes. Now ये केक का शेप क्या है? The shape of this cake is a heart. What is the shape? Heart. Now see, this is a leaf. ये एक leaf है, लेकिन leaf का shape क्या है? What is the shape of this leaf? Heart. Yes, the shape of this leaf is a heart. Okay. Now आप मुझे बताओगे, ये gift है, ये gift का shape क्या है? Gift box का what is the shape of this gift box? Yes, very nice. It is a heart. This is a heart shape. Now lollipop. ये तो बहुत सारे बच्चों का favorite होगा, है ना? Most of you must be liking it, but you should eat in a limited quantity. Okay. Now which shape is this? Everyone, which shape is this? Heart. Excellent. This is a heart. Now, ball pillow. Which shape is this? Which shape is this, everyone?
Shapes and
Heart. Okay. Heart. Now see, these are cute sunglasses. ये देखो, ये cute से sunglasses है. अब इसका shape क्या है? देखो, lens का क्या shape है? Heart. This is the shape of a heart. Okay. These are candies. Okay. Now in candies का shape क्या है? What is the shape of these candies? Yes, everyone. Heart. Okay. See, this is a strawberry. What is the shape of this strawberry? Heart. ये strawberry का shape है heart. Okay. So आप लोगों को समझ आया अभी? Did you all understand what is a heart shape? Actually मैम उसको heart shape बोलते हैं, but हमारे heart का shape इससे थोड़ा different होता है, but still it's called a heart shape. So this is a heart shape. See. Okay. See. This is a heart shape. Now what will I do today? आज मैं आपको ये पिक्चर सेंड करूंगी, आपको ड्रॉ करना है और इस पिक्चर में कलरिंग करनी है. दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क. ओके एवरीवन. नाउ आई एम कमिंग बैक टू यू ऑल. ओके किड्स. सो डिड एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड आज हमने कौन सी शेप पढ़ी? व्हाट डिड वी स्टडी टुडे सनाया? आज हमने कौन सा शेप पढ़ा? Which shape did we study today? Heart. Very nice. Oh, very. And Visha is showing me a heart. Very good, beta. Very nice. Yeah, this is a heart. Yes, Anaya. Very nice. Very good, Anvesha. Okay, Ishwari is also making a heart. Very good. So, आप लोगों को समझ आया ना? What is a heart shape? You all understood that? Yes. Okay, very nice. ना आपका होमवर्क क्या होगा? मैं आपको हार्ट शेप का ड्राइंग दूंगी, आपको वो ड्राइंग बनाना है. आप मामा से हेल्प लेना Okay, make the drawing and you have to put color in it. आपको उसमें coloring करना. आप सबको coloring करना अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes, Yuk. Yes, Yuk. You like coloring? Coloring अच्छी लगती है Yuk को? Yes. आपको अच्छी लगती है? Do you like it, Shivansh? Does Shivansh like coloring? Yes. Okay. I'm sure most of the kids like coloring. है ना? सबको coloring अच्छा लगता है. तो यही आज आपका homework होगा. Okay. So let us do the rhyme once. हम एक बार rhyme करेंगे. We'll do rhyme every day. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि at least 3-4 minutes के लिए हम रोज rhyme practice करें so that you are thorough in it and start saying the rhyme. Okay. So please everyone stand up. जल्दी से हम rhyme revise करते हैं. चलो everybody stand up. And you all have to say with me. Okay? So just give me 1 minute. Okay. I hope you all can hear me. आप सबको आवाज आ रही है मेरी clearly? Show me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Just show me a thumbs up. Okay, fine. Great. Let us start. Chalo, let us do. Everybody is ready? Okay. I am a big engine. Puff, puff, puff. See? Very nice. Waiting to set off. Shuff, shuff, shuff. Very nice. I blow my whistle. Very good. Tool, tool, tool. Very good. The station bell is ringing now. All are very smart. Ding dong, ding dong. Very good. Soon my wheels will turn around. ये नया वाला लाइन है जो कल सीखा था. Soon my wheels. पहले मेरे साथ बोलो, फिर हम एक्शन करेंगे. अभी करो. Soon my wheels will turn around. Okay, now let's just do the action. अभी action करते हैं. Soon my wheels will turn around. Soon my wheels will turn around. Very good, kids. Let us do it again. Soon my wheels will turn around. Very good, Sanaya. आप भी करो rhyme. चलो, everybody has to do, okay? And I will be. बोलो and. I will be forward bound. थोड़ा सा टफ वर्ड है, शायद आपने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना होगा. So let us learn it. So and I will be
forward
bound.
bound.
And I will be. What is this? Is the way. ये रास्ता है. And I will be.
Forward bound.
Okay, so one more time. अभी एक last time हम करते हैं beginning से. We'll do from beginning till the end. Okay, then again we'll revise tomorrow. So घर पर भी आपको रोज revise करना है. Okay, now let us do again. अच्छा, कल आप लोगों को link मिला था YouTube का. Did everybody get the link yesterday? I put it in the homework. I'll put it again today. आप उस लिंक को कॉपी पेस्ट करके YouTube पे वीडियो चला के वो वीडियो देख सकते हो. उसमें ये राइम है. ओके, तो आप लोगों को लर्न करने में आसानी होगा. Okay, parents, so you can copy that link and play that video in the YouTube. Okay, let's do it again. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Everybody has to stand. I want all my kids to participate. Okay? आप लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. Very nice. Keep it up, students. चलो, let's start. I am a big elephant. Waiting to set off.
Waiting to
Shuff, shuff, shuff. I blow my whistle.
blow my
Tool, tool. The station bell is ringing now.
station bell is ringing down.
Excellent. Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Very nice, very nice.
Ding
Soon my wheels will turn around.
round, round. Tira.
And I will be
I will be
homeward
homeward
bound.
bound.
Okay, so ये last का line शायद आपको थोड़ा tough होएगा, but don't worry, we'll learn it. Okay, we'll revise every day and we'll learn it. Okay, kids, so that's all for today. ये rhyme practice करना है सबको घर पर, and we'll practice in the class as well. Okay, so what homework do you have for today? I'll give you the shape of the heart. You have to draw it and color it. उसमें draw करना है. Draw करने में आप मामा की help लेना. आपके लिए difficult होगा draw करना. Take mama से help, okay? And उसके अंदर coloring करना है. Okay? So parents, मैं आपको जो shape भेजूंगी, आप dotted lines बना के उनको draw करके दे दीजिए and let them trace it. Okay? And coloring, let them color it and trace it. Okay, kids? Chalo, that's all for today now. We'll end our day. Everybody please stand up and fold your hands. सब लोग खड़े हो जाओ. चलो, good boy or good girl बनो फटाफट. Fold your hands and let's say our prayers, okay? Close your eyes and say with me. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now close your eyes and say, God bless my mummy. God bless my daddy. God bless my teachers. Help me always to keep them happy. Okay, very nice, kids. Now let us do the national anthem. अभी सब लोग mute कर दो and everybody stand straight. ऐसे don't have to move like this. Straight खड़े होना है सबको, okay? चलो, let us start. 1, 2, 3, start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे. जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे, जय हिंद. Okay, kids. Bye bye, kids. Take care of yourself now. Okay, you can disconnect and leave. Disconnect कर दो. Leave button press करके. Okay. Bye everyone. Bye.